This conference will now be recorded. This conference
Completed.
will now be recorded.
You explain the screen.
Okay. So this is login screen. So you can download GUI. So then you can able to view this one. 800
Yeah,
clients.
I did that.
Okay, 800 clients, and you can use any password and this one
Okay.
password and this is the first screen for you.
Yes.
Okay, this is called easy access
Yeah.
screen for end user. So we have some other subjects also there here. So this is cross application, logistics, accounting, human resources. Under human resources, you can see personal
Yeah.
management, time management, payroll, etc. So when you go to accounting, also there are many subjects are there.
Got it.
In the logistics also there, different kinds of material management, sales and distribution, logistics, production like this. So this is screen. This is main menu, or
Yep.
this is menu bar. This is
Yep.
title bar. What do you call? Enter.
Yep.
So it is standard toolbar, title bar, application toolbar.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
So now you can use any transaction code like this and go to appropriate session in one step and start your task here. So
Okay.
this is maintain the master data, and coming back, this is back button, right? This
Okay.
is exit button. This is cancel button.
Okay.
So when you use this from SAP Easy Access screen to end user screen, AMG screen, so we can use here SP or O, right? So this is
Okay.
IMG implementation, right? Still you have
Okay.
here, this enter button, standard toolbar,
Yeah.
title bar, application toolbar.
Application toolbar.
If you
Yeah.
open here, so we can able to view all, right? So now let us see. We will write down types of implementation. So I think you have to do today BJX methodology, right? ASAP methodology, right? So yesterday we discussed, right? What we discussed yesterday? Uday, 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 can you hear me? Uday, can you hear me? Yes, yes. I think.
Uday is there in session. Uday?
Okay. Okay.
Hello.
So I think he's busy. Okay, please write down this. So SAP methodology or how to implement SAP. So there are 5 steps out there. Project preparation, business blueprint, realization, final testing and college.
Can you hear me? Yeah, now you can
Yes,
hear me. I've been talking all the while, so I'm not busy. I'm only sitting on this session and I'm pretty serious
Karan?
about this course, so I'm not doing anything else. And I'm typing my messages just in case if you can't hear me, right? So if you're not getting my messages, I am helpless, but I'm keeping you informed what I'm doing.
Not, I am not getting any voice from you.
No, I understand that there's not. I, I understand that that's not my problem, right? So if there is an issue, I'm typing my messages. So if
Yeah, I
messages are
saw
also
that.
not coming, okay,
No,
great.
no, it is coming, but without response, I
Yeah,
cannot able to explain, right?
no, I understand, but I'm shouting my voice out here, but it's not coming
Mm-hmm.
through. I
Okay,
just can't do
maybe that is
anything, right? I can
internet,
only type.
internet issue.
Yeah, probably.
Internet
Yeah.
issue.
Now I
Okay,
can.
please
Yeah.
write down. Please write down these points. So here, this is just like roadmap. So it is first phase, that is called project preparation. Second one is business blueprint, realization, and go live. So what are the
Okay.
activities are there in the every phase? So let us discuss.
Okay.
In chat box, if you do anything, if you not getting invoice, please just to show me that you are there and you are listening. So that information I need, right? In case if you are
Sure,
not
sure.
listening anything, yeah,
But no chance. I'm listening. I'm following thoroughly.
yes, yes. So now let us see the first phase of this one. Phase number one, project
Okay.
preparation. So actually the project preparation related to the sales phase. So it is not included in the HR phase or any implementation phase. But it is
Okay.
necessary to understand that how many modules are going to be implementing. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and
Okay.
what are the duration of the time. Okay, so
Yeah.
initial retrieval information this is. So which company and how many modules have to be implemented. So these data and first the primary agreement also there along with pricing document also. Okay, the pricing is different issue, but the duration of time, how many modules are
Mm.
implemented, and then that document will be supported or given to the directive function consultant of respective modules.
Okay.
Okay, these respective modules means you have to prepare one team from your side. So that is called
Uh-huh.
steering committee. Steering committee which
Okay.
consisting of your, you know, principal consultants, your
Mm-hmm.
team leader, senior consultants, and your associate consultants. So in this team, that who has good experience into preparation of business blueprint. So business blueprint is a base document. That is detailed document of actual requirement of the client company, right?
Okay.
So
Yeah.
here, yeah, that team who is you can manage, who can participate in all the meetings. So that person is very important, and other
Okay.
persons are maybe offline. So that is
Okay.
onshore, offshore. So one
Okay.
person or two persons will be going to there for company visiting and gather the each and every information, and for
Okay.
which you need to download the standardized forms here. That is your questionnaire. So questionnaire should be taken. It has to be given to your super user or end user. So end user super user will give you who will run with it, who will acquainted with the payroll, time management, OEM. Before that, some other other
Mm-hmm.
software will be there. They are already running. It is not ideal, right? So
True.
now,
True.
whenever you're going to gather the information, you should give a format to them in the form of the questionnaire and gather the information from there in, and it is subject wise. So OM, payroll,
Mm-hmm.
time, and benefits, right? So that
Okay.
information and subject wise you need to prepare it. So you should ask very clearly once it is business blueprint is signed. by the both the parties, and no additions are to be allowed. Okay,
Yeah.
so that is
Yeah.
business blueprint. Once it is all, it is signed. So based on the business blueprint, so go for realization phase. So realization phase is related to the
So Ajay,
you
where do
know
we get all this? Where do we get all
it is
this
from
standard question?
vendor, it is vendor company where you are going to implement it.
No, I'm
Client
asking
company.
where do we access the standard templates,
Where do you access?
the standard questionnaires?
Yes, it is just it is not there anything in the system. You should prepare everything.
So will you
You should
also share a sample of the questionnaire?
sample of questionnaire. No, I don't have that, but I can give you that one is model questionnaire, one model
Okay.
BBP, business blueprint.
Okay.
So how we are going to film, what are the activities to be covered in that? Okay, I will share
Okay.
that document. So
Okay.
that is called business blueprint. Based on that, go for realization means configuration customization. So here also same wording is there, implementing of business and process of requirements based on the business blueprints. So the
Okay.
object of this is final implementation for the system and overall testing at the level of your function consultant only. So whenever you are going to there in the dev server, it is this
Mm-hmm.
realization phase is related to the dev server only. Dev server, there is one more client also there. The client name is sandbox. So that is any number can
Okay.
be taken there. So after that, you can convert into the second golden plane, right? So let us see that. I will
Okay.
show you on the system. So this was just
Okay.
introduction of this, how to prepare this web booking, right? So
Okay.
next
Yeah.
phase is which is okay. Next phase is that is final preparation or final testing. Both are
Okay.
the same. So it is for testing. User training should be given. User manual should be given to finalize the readiness of go live. So to explain this, if they are able to run, able to without assistance of the functional consultant, if they are able to do, so that is the training which was given. And also you can give that whatever transaction codes frequently using. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and manual should be given to them. Okay, final preparation phase is also solve the to resolve all the crucial openings. So this need to explain everything. So go to the directory payroll and they have to run before us. So for which you can give this training maximum 1 month. So actually you will
Mm-hmm.
take the 8 days classes, but practice should be there. So 1 month it will take for the final testing, final preparation activities. So in the final preparation
Okay.
activities also we can run here, that is parallel payroll runs. Parallel payroll means for example they are running with other third party. Again you need to run payroll under the SAP also, right? So you can check
Yeah.
that
Yeah.
both at a time. You can check that. So on the successful
Mm.
completion of this phase, you are ready to run business on your R/3 system on your directly go live. So you can fix the timing here on which date you are going to go live. So totally, if the small project is there, it will take 1 year time. So first,
Okay.
I will display the timings. How many months required here. So that I will explain in
Okay.
the next slide. Okay.
Okay.
So once go live is declared, then support will be started.
Okay.
Go live is completed. Support will be given. Any issues are raising or issues are coming while on maintenance of master data, payroll data, time data, OM data, right? So this is called
Mm-hmm.
your small, ASAP methodology, implement SAP. There are 5 steps are there, 5 phases.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
So now, yes. So again, you can also write down types of implementations.
Mm-hmm.
So types of implementation, that is first implementation is called as end-to-end implementation. End-to-end
Okay.
implementation is called as project preparation, business blueprint, realization, final go live.
Okay.
So these are all five points, 5 phases are coming under the end-to-end implementation. So people will also ask you that in which phase you are involved, whether you are at the time of business blueprint or realization phase or final testing phase also. So we cannot say that anybody can move anytime. So that is not restricted to implementing of this total project, right? So sometimes
Yeah.
you can also join in the middle of the project also. So they will ask you.
Mm.
So that is one of the question also there. So end-to-end implementation which involves these 5 phases, right?
Mm.
So whenever you're
Yep.
going to implementing these 4 to 5, branches, so you no need to go for all 4 to 5 branches. Only you can go to only one branch only because their policies are same. Company, whenever the company is same, the policies also same, right?
Yeah.
And reporting structure
Yep.
should also be same, and position should
Yes.
also be same. Jobs also same, right?
Yep.
So once you implemented this, okay, for one
Mm.
branch, so it has to be added for other branches also, right?
Okay.
So
Yep.
that is total implementation will be taking time. That based on your understanding levels and as well as this business blueprint configuration, realization, final testing phases, different times will be there, different period will be taken. So
Okay.
whenever you completed one implementation, so you can just go to rolling out for other activities, other branches. So that is rolling out. Rolling out implementation to the other branches or other country levels also. So,
Okay.
for example, you are going to implementing within the country that your total currency, total other activities are same except your started presence. For example, you are
Yep.
implementing in India, in Hyderabad, Bangalore, and Chennai. So Hyderabad,
Mm.
that started presence. Your taxation is same for unique one, that is taxation. But when coming to the statutory provisions of state government, state government professional taxes, labor welfare fund. So these are the different from the state to state, right?
Yeah.
That
Yes.
configuration will be done. But whenever you are rolling out the same for other countries, so
Mm.
totally your language change, okay, your
Yeah.
currency
Everything
change,
changes. Yeah. Yep.
statutory provisions change, taxation also change,
Yes.
right? So whenever you are rolling out for other 20 to 25 countries, it will take much time, right? Even
Yep.
configuration is same. Okay, so this is called
Yes.
your rolling out for other branches, rolling out for other countries, further taxation and startup provisions are to be configured. Okay,
Mm.
okay, that is second one.
Okay.
Now, the third one is upgradation. For example, we already implemented in the last 10 years back. So with the version was there, EC, in Enterprise Central Component or in Enterprise Component. So that is 5.0 version. But from
Okay.
2006 onwards, we are using 6.0 version. So 6.0
Okay.
versions also having the enhancements package 7.2, 7.3 like now. Now the 7.2 is the latest one. For the implementation of
Okay.
additional modules also. Right. So additional modules for
Mhm.
ESS, MSS, e-recruitment and training and event management or any other dimensions also. So other dimensions in the sense that is additional, supply chain management from the your material management and customer relation management also there. Customer relation related to your sales and distribution.
Okay.
So these are the different dimensions are there for which you can upgrade that whatever you have in the system. So you need to do the configuration. Whatever the configuration is already there, it has to be migrated from version to version. So fifth version to sixth version, right? So that is upgradation. Enhancements to the enhancement. Enhancement means you already implemented for one product, two products, three products, four products. So now I'm adding for another product also. So that is called, just if you take example, Reliance industry. So it was there earlier to chemicals, right? So chemicals and
Yeah. Yeah.
petrochemicals also there. So now they are adding for Geo mobiles. Or earlier it was also the Reliance mobiles also. So this is an additional product. So already the total implementation completed, that running with the best, but the company is adding the another product. So for example, you can take ABC products already there in the company. Now I am going to creating one more company code on the name of the mobiles, that is D product. So it is again separate vertical, separate branch it is also. So we have here
Hmm.
also managing director also separate, and executive director also separate for these mobiles. And your HOD, sales, senior manager, managers, and executives. Total this team and this vertical to be added to existing ones. Okay,
Yeah.
so that's why it is called enhancements. Okay, for these four activities or four implementations, we have support also. Support is like that SLA, service level agreement.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
so let
Yeah.
us see. So again, I'm just repeating that whatever the ASAP methodology roadmap.
Yeah.
So
Hmm.
here this is called your project preparation, which is related to purely sales people and BI people, business intelligence people. So how many
Okay.
systems you require, hardware, software. Software should be downloaded, that whatever I explained yesterday class. Whenever you
Hmm.
install the software, you will get two clients. One is 00 client, one is 001 client. And you are not allowed to work on 00 client. So 001 client to be
Yes.
added requirement. Okay. So you can create
Yeah.
some clients here. So it is software clients, right? So
Yeah.
after first phase, so when you are introduced to second phase, you need to read out the document which is earlier they agreed along with your time duration. So now there
Okay.
is a function consultant or senior consultants have to visit the company
True.
and take all the policies, processes and prepare a business blueprint and sign off.
Okay.
Okay, so this is
Yeah.
a preparation of business blueprint for which you can use whatever the earlier we added, whatever the questionnaire was there. That questionnaire can be taken for any company requirements. So requirement is same. So any
Yeah.
additional requirements also there, they will give
Okay.
us. So without any hiding, when going to preparing business blueprint, that information will be taken. So you can
Yeah.
also explain them if once it is whatever the business blueprint. For business blueprint, you should complete n number of meetings also,
Yeah.
right? One number of meetings, good understanding, everything is completed, then it has to be signed by the both the parties. So once both the
Hmm.
parties completed, the signatures have been completed. Now let us go to the realization. It is called configuration based on the BBP under development server.
Yeah.
And the technical people also will be there. Any screen is not enough, so you need any modification enhancement to the screens, so technical people will be there above us.
Okay.
Okay, functionals. And if you want to create new screens, then you can give functional specifications. So that is your
Hmm.
requirement to create one more screens.
Okay.
Okay, and this will be taken by the above us. Every implementation, all the consultants will be have the meetings. So it is discussed very clearly, and whatever the developers are there, they will help to the all the implementation phase, all the people.
Okay.
They are not restricted to only HR, only finance. So if they are going to do 4 to 5 modules, yes, they have to give the support to them also, right? So once
Okay.
the realization phase is completed, you can create one employee. So your total
Hmm.
configuration could be done under the flux only, right?
Hmm.
So in the
Yeah.
sandbox, yeah, you can create your test employee also, 1, 2 employees, 3 employees, 4 employees also for testing purpose.
Hmm.
So it is customizing under sandbox, and it has to be custom sandbox to golden client. So this is also under development server only. Okay.
Okay.
So you can do your testing at unit level, your level only, unit wise. So your integration part will also be, checked according to the business blueprint. And any issues are coming, it has to be reduced. So no issues will be there. So no, whenever you're running with the system, so everything is very clean and neat.
Yeah.
Okay. So anything is coming that how you are going to solving that, you can write a test scripts.
Okay.
Test scripts are there. Okay.
Okay.
So these test scripts should be given at the end of the your implementation and before go live to the your end users. Okay. So
Okay.
this is totally will be taken care by the in the development server only. So once this configuration is completed here, then you can move it to the quality server. So quality server,
Okay.
I explained you yesterday. You need to upload the employees data from, you can ask in the Excel sheet, and you can go to upload this, or otherwise migrate the data of employees, even 1,000 employees, 5,000 employees, or 50,000 employees.
Okay.
So once you uploaded input type, so then you can go to say that end user can check the data, whatever data has been. Okay, so
Okay.
they have to. It is not our job. Okay, it is
Mm.
only that your user or supervisor will taking care of that. So anything else modifications required, then you have to attend. Okay.
Okay.
So in this area, you need to run parallel payroll runs 3 to 6 months.
Okay.
So then you can give the end user training, end user manual, test scripts, and also go with the testing with the tax and statutory provisions. Okay, and integration with the F5. So up to payroll run, we can check here. But whenever you are going to send the payables to the bank, so before that,
Okay.
finance people taking care, and the finance people will see that and auditing, okay, and sending the same payables to the bank. Okay.
Okay.
So before that
Okay.
also you need to take, before going to go live, user acceptance testing UAT, right? So now it will be go live. The go live will be under the production server.
Okay.
Okay. Now,
Okay.
before going to that, now you can just understand what are the information we are going to collect there. So collect
Okay.
information, company name. So what is company here? So company or client or vendor. So all the same. So that could be created by the finance people only. Company will be created by the finance people. It is 6-digit one. So what is company means? That is highest identity of your company. That is group of industries or group of companies. Okay. So
Yeah.
this is highest identity of that company. So where you can maintain profit and loss account. Okay. Profit and loss account and see that how much benefit, how much profits are you receiving. Okay. Right.
Yeah.
So after that company, and next you can go to create the your company codes.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hello. Are you there?
Yeah. And then,
Yes. Now you can go to create company codes. So company code is a product. For example, manufacturing of computers, Infotech Limited, BPO centers. So these are all separate, wings. So that is how the company codes. So I already explained you. Whenever you are going to taking example of Reliance industry, so Reliance chemicals, petroleum, and mobiles. These are three products. If you take Honda, so Honda variants, each and every one product. If you take the industry, so each and every variant from starting to ending, all the variants are separate products. So for example, if we Caesar, Sia, and Wagoner, Alto,
hmm.
okay,
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
or
Okay.
Brisa. So these are products, separate products. So ultimately they are under the company of Maruti Suzuki only. But you need to check your profit and loss account, that is product wise.
Okay.
So each
Hmm.
product is called as one company code.
Okay.
Clear? So now whenever you create company code, in the first instance, system will generate
Uh,
a unique number.
Ajay, can you hear me?
Hello?
No, I'm saying in success factors we have company, division, function, department. Is it something similar to that?
Yes, in that there also we have the same process. So in
Okay.
which you are going to create in that is legal entity, right?
Yeah. True.
So legal entity is for the purpose of each country highest identity.
Okay.
For example, I have the Wipro. So Wipro company
Hmm.
was there in 5 to 6 countries, right?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
legal entity is related to the each and every country. Business unit is called as your product.
Okay.
So
So here this.
business units are again divided into divisions. Divisions are
Yes.
again divided into departments. In
Yes.
the same way, all the business units are called as here in the SAP HM company codes. Okay?
Okay. Got it.
Okay. Right. So now let us see. Whenever you create
Okay.
this facility,
So Ajay, one quick question here is, for example, in this case of Wipro, there will be six company codes you're saying?
in case of Wipro,
Yeah, you said that it is there in six countries, right? For example,
yes,
so we'll have six company codes.
no company code is not related to this this product, right?
No, I'm
Product
saying
is
legal
only three
entity.
products.
No, I'm okay. Not the company code. The first one you're talking about, right?
Company will be created for each country, the highest identity. Okay, that's
So
okay.
there,
But if
so
you
that is what. So that will be six countries in this example, six codes.
no, it is related to product only. So companies we are going to create that can be integrated. We are not taking
Okay.
the companies. Yes, we are not taking any companies which are creating of Wipro India, Wipro US, Wipro Canada, Wipro Australia. I am not taking
Oh,
that.
okay,
So
okay,
there you
okay,
can make it as that is called personal areas,
okay, okay. Got it. Okay,
locations, areas, branches.
okay, got it. Okay.
So this is comes under the your personal that is human resource management of SAP HCM.
Sure, sure. Okay, okay.
So
Thank you.
you can take location, you can take area, you can take branches, or you can take any place. Okay.
Uh-huh.
So each personal area, if a location, India location, UK, US location, UK location, Australia, Canada, like that. Okay.
Okay, got it.
In that, in each location, in each branch, in each location only, if you have again sub branches, you can take
Okay,
that personal sub areas.
okay,
For example, if you take in India, India is one area, personal area. Sub areas like Hyderabad, Bangalore, okay, Chennai, Amravati, AP,
got it.
like that you can take Vishakhapatnam, right? So
Yeah,
this is again subdivisions.
got it.
It is again subdivisions in the area locations. Okay, right. So
And
based
and
on
and,
that, these
and Ajay,
hello.
so and within this subdivision, it can even further be segregated, based upon buildings or tech parks.
Yes, we can do. We can do that. Again, submarkets also can be done. No issue.
Okay, got it. Okay. So
Okay.
sorry,
So now, whatever
what is this?
activities I'm telling here,
Ajay, what is this customizing request above, below the
yeah,
company
I will
code?
tell you. Customer request, I'll tell you
Okay,
on the system itself.
okay, got it.
So
Okay,
what are the personal area, what sub area, company code, company. So these total four important activities comes under enterprise structure. This is
okay,
related to company structure,
okay.
right? So
Yeah,
next one I'm going to create a second structure is called as personal structure.
yeah.
Personal structure which contains three activities. I'm going to create employee groups, employee subgroups, and payroll area.
Okay,
So let us come to here. This is one digit one only. So all employee groups 1, 2, up to 9 you can create. So it is dividing that employees into groups.
okay,
Employee groups is the importance here. Dividing the employees into groups called active employees or permanent employees, take the contract employees, retiree employees, and terminated, hourly rated, that we can see later. So the permanent or contract. So some people are recruited on the contract basis. So if it is a government company or implementing, can also create retirees also. So retirees are being made some pension, are being paid
Yeah.
some pension. So you can run monthly pension. So
Oh, okay.
terminated. So maintain the employees, set a group of terminated. If you maintain this group under terminated, and you can restrict the date here, date should be restricted, then the people will not show you in the payslip.
Okay.
So people, yes, will be showing if retirees, otherwise you can go to contract employees only and active employees only.
Okay.
So other people are not allowed in the payroll.
Oh,
So
yeah.
now let us see the sub areas. Under each employee group, you can create subgroups, naming monthly pay employees, bi-weekly, hourly rated, weekly employees.
Okay.
Clear?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
So each payroll, each personal area, which containing of each payroll area. So you can create your, for example, Indian payroll for Indian personal area related to Indian payroll. UK personal area, take that, you can create the payroll of UK, US payroll area, Canada payroll, like that. So each
Oh,
place. So if you are going to implementing in India only, okay, you have the branches also, sub branches, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai, Amravati.
mhm.
So go for implementation of different kinds of payroll areas.
Okay.
So monthly payroll for your monthly payroll only supported for Indian payroll, you can take all in one branch only. You no need to go to create the payroll area or payroll activities in entire all the branches. You can access from only one place also, because this is master data integration. So what is the master data? Employee clock in clock out timings, number of days, number of hours should be required, right?
Yeah.
Remaining, you know that already. That payroll process is same. So once you added wage elements, the same wage elements will be there for until there is a change,
Yep.
until appraisal. Okay. So this is
Yep.
common, yeah, activity. So now how to maintain these all? So let you check this to creating of this. Please write down human resource management, where you can create info type 000, in which you have to create enterprise structure, personal structure, org structure.
Okay.
Please write down this.
Yeah, I'm writing. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So with the definitions, you know that what is company, company code, personal area, personal sub areas, employee subgroup, payroll area, and for organ structure should be created. Company structure, jobs and positions. Okay.
Okay.
So now what is customizing request is? So whenever you create any action, any customization, so that
Okay.
system will going to save in the respected request only. So what is that request on the system? We can understand easily. So I think
Okay.
this is enough. So we are going to doing some configuration. So what's the company name that which is very familiar for you?
Yeah, good. Google India is good. Multiple locations.
Huh? Yeah,
Yeah, yeah,
one more
Google India is good.
activity. Please, one more activity. You can listen here. So which payroll you
Okay.
are preferred? Which
US.
payroll? Yes, US payroll. Okay, so once stand on your US payroll, you cannot change in between because from starting itself, I'm going to creating all activities in the US only,
Okay.
right? So you cannot change after some time to go to US, to go to UK grouping or your Indian group, right? And payroll
Okay.
is also country specific. Indian payroll is Indian, UK payroll is UK payroll. But payroll process 90% is the same. But when you can add the remaining 10% for taxation and statutory payments.
Okay.
So you
Sure.
preferred US payroll, right?
Yes.
Okay, so that's clear. So now
Yes.
which company I am going to creating? I will show that total activity company only because
Okay.
it is very easy to understand to you.
Okay.
Tell me the name of the company.
Okay. Any name, random name, huh?
Hmm?
It's a okay. Ticket is a Tesla.
Tesla.
Hmm.
Tesla. Tesla. See, whenever you search anything, it will take the 500 hits only. So
Okay.
at the time of searching, it is very problem for us. So please
Okay.
give me your name ABC up to D or H.
Hmm.
You can go to creating H, right?
Creating what?
HP computers.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
HP. Okay. So HP group.
Okay.
What is HP?
Meaning?
Yes, full form.
Hewlett Packard.
Yes, yes. So that is US group, right?
US based. Yeah.
USA group. So now I'm going to creating here some of the computers. Okay?
Okay.
HP computers.
Okay.
Okay, so this is called my product. See, I'm very clear
Okay.
here. Client company is HP and the company
Hmm.
code is I'm creating this is some computers and also mobiles.
Hmm.
You can add a number of products. There is no any limit.
Yeah. Printers. Yeah. Hmm.
So anything else you can add here, one or two, three, right? So this
Yeah.
is each
Printers. I'm saying.
yeah, printers. Can I
Yeah.
remove this?
No, no, keep it. Keep
Mobiles?
it. Keep it. Yeah. Instead, yeah. Let us use printers. More
Okay,
relevant.
no. So I'm adding in between that printers.
Okay. Great. Okay.
Printers. Right, printers. Okay. So now that go to personal area. So that is New York.
Okay.
One more is Texas.
Okay.
New York and Texas. Okay. Okay. In the same area, so you are getting this New York and place. You can add any places. It is not mandatory to maintain same.
Okay.
Okay. So you can maintain this is city and city. Otherwise metro. So same place there in Texas also. So different places also. So maintain here. That is anything else you have an idea? Any name, sub names.
No.
Not
So.
only Texas, any name you can put here. I can
Yeah.
put
Yeah.
here one is metro and rural.
Okay.
So names only just for names.
Understanding. Yeah.
So here you can add that gem street. So these are the
Hmm.
places, right? So totally
So.
what I created here,
So these personal areas should be created for each company code. Huh?
digital.
Now I'm saying personal area. should be created for each company code, is it?
Yes, you can create each. Here also there. Here also there. I just created
No, I'm
here
saying,
infrastructure which you have the
see,
company.
what I'm saying is for HP there are computers, printers, and mobiles, right? So for computers we need to put New York, Texas, and for printers we give probably California and
Yes,
Carolinas. And
you can add
okay, so like
number
that.
of cities and number of subplaces.
Okay.
You can create it, anything.
No, it has to be created under company code. Huh?
Each company code.
Each company code. Okay.
And also create YY places. Yes. Right?
Okay.
AB places.
Okay.
BBB. Right.
Okay.
I
Got
am
it.
just going to understand only. So just you can have an idea how to create a company code, percentage, person survey. Yes.
Okay.
So this is totally related to the infrastructure.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Yeah.
So yes. Now I create it. Now let us go to company manufacturing. So here you can see this is 800 client. So in the real time would be 000 or 001 for
Yeah.
customization configuration, username, password, video flavor. So how to create this company? What is the path? Please write down the path.
Okay.
Write down. So start login screen. First login. So login when you open here, login.
Okay.
Yes, login screen. When you log into the system, you will find there easy access screen. This is first screen. Use transaction code SPRO
Okay.
and you will get there IMG implementation guide.
Okay.
So then you will find there infrastructure arrow. Please write in such a way only. Don't write in your manner because it is easy to understand. Okay.
I'm taking a print screen. Don't worry. I'm using as is.
Yes. Okay. So after that you will find there financial accounting. In
Okay.
there, these are all nodes, which are like arrows. Arrows are
Yeah.
called as nodes. Each
Okay.
node has subnodes also. And once you open lastly, you will find their activity. So activity in the sense that is like with a watch type. So that is
Uh-huh.
activity. If you click on activity only, it will not going to show you that if you click on the name of the activity. You just click on here only. Okay. So let us check that. So
Okay.
here, whenever you go to save this activity, whatever IMG activity you have created, the system will generate customizing request number, which is unique number. Okay. So this unique number always will showing you whenever you want to
I'm not
save.
able to see any screen. Okay.
It is already shared. It is on in the share mode only. It is there.
I can see. I can see now. I can see now. Yeah.
Okay.
I can see.
So this
Yeah.
is my activity I'm discussing right now here. Whenever you save the above activity, system will generate a unique number that is called customizing number. Okay,
Yeah.
and you don't create
Okay.
always.
Yeah.
So once you created first, then you can continue to save the further activities.
Okay.
Here, so don't create
Okay.
because I am transporting this whatever the activity is done in the dev server to another server, to quality server, to
Okay.
production server, right? So
Yes.
if you create a number of, so basically any new addition is coming, requirement is there, you need to do in the development client only.
Okay.
Okay, so in between it is not accepting. Okay, come back
Okay.
and go to create. Okay, so this is a path. Please tell me the path to me so that I can go with the system for your customization, company, that is HP motor, HP printers or computers,
Okay.
HP USA Limited. So now this is login screen. When I click this, I will receive this one. I already opened the screen. Let me check this. I'm just coming back.
Yeah.
Okay, so start. So 800 client is not 00 client, right?
Yes.
Because it is demo system and you welcome to the IDES 6.0 version,
Okay.
latest version. So international
Yeah.
demonstration educational system for enterprise
Yes.
central component 6.0. So Ajay, and go to password is whatever they have given to you.
Yeah.
So enter. Yes, you will find there easy
Accounting.
access
Okay.
screen.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
True.
now I can use, this is my command area.
True.
I can give you command here, SPRO, enter. So
Okay.
we'll find there IMG.
LMG.
Okay,
Okay.
IMG. Okay, G
Yeah.
implementation guide.
Yeah.
Yes. So what is next activity? Next node.
So yeah.
These are all
Yeah.
nodes. These are all documentation. This is activity. If you put on cursor
Okay.
is here, system will say IMG activity. If you put on here, system is not giving
Okay.
anything.
Okay. So you have to go to enterprise structure,
Yes, interface structure. Next,
and we need to go to definition,
definition,
financial accounting,
financial accounting,
and then the activity define company.
define company. So if you put on here, the system is not going to open this. Now put here on IMG activity. What is company? Why you need to create company?
F1. Okay.
F1 for guidance.
Yeah. 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 True.
Yes. In this step, you can create companies. A company is an organizational unit according to your business organization activities and the requirement of the that commercial law in the particular country. Okay. So this is
Yep.
definition. No need to write that. Only you can understand group of companies should be created and just click on the your system, that is activity. Now there
Yep.
are so much same similar is there because it is just for demo system, right? So
Yep.
if
Yep.
the
Yep.
same number will be there, it is not going to open. HP group is already there.
Okay.
You can change change it. Tell me another name.
Hmm. Is Samsung also there? Samsung is a
Samsung
Korean
also
company.
REST means it is taking last. It is unable to search that.
Oh, okay. Hmm. Dell.
Dell, I think it will be there. Let me
Oh.
check. There.
Hmm.
Dellite also there. Deepa company also there.
Okay. Okay.
Baseline also there.
Take it as KF.
Hmm?
KF.
KF. KF, huh?
Yeah, KF.
KFC.
Yeah, KFC is also there. Okay.
There.
Okay, do one thing. No, take it as UD.
I know, but it is coming lastly, right? REST, UVW. Again, it is going back here.
ST.
G
Wait.
also there.
If you want to. Ford is there, a Ford?
Ford, yes. Ford Motors. Not there, right. So let us go to create Ford. Naveen, please. Yes. So 6 digit, right?
Okay.
Ford US. So it is
Okay.
Ford US Group.
Okay.
So let us go to the street name, postal box number. So this is postal code number, city New York, USA, English, $.
Okay.
Now we are going to create a company like this.
Okay. Okay.
Right?
Okay.
Okay. So save it. So when I am going to save this, so
Okay.
this activity should be saved. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is save button, this is back button, this is exit
Mm.
button, this is cancel button. So here this is 6 sessions can be open at a time. And here this enter button, this is command bar, this is your title bar, this is application toolbar,
Mm.
right? So now I'm
Okay.
saving
Yeah.
this one. So whenever I save this, the system will give you prompt for customize the request number. So here each and every information will be stored in respective tables. So
Okay.
you will yeah, that every activity will be stored in the separate numbers are there. So you should know these numbers, but not right now. So you can go to save this under the system is giving the prompt here. So which is ECCK 902046, which is already created by somebody on the name of the Google India Limited, right?
Okay.
So you should go to create new first time only first time when you create company only,
Okay.
right? So now let us go to create request white paper. So take this code US proof.
Yeah.
See, when you're going to save this, system will generate you new number.
Okay.
So that is your number, own number. When I save this, continue to save.
Okay.
Yes. System has given ECCK 902461
Okay.
for your company for Ford US and continue with this. So this is a
Okay.
table number 880. So now data on the message bar is given, the data has been saved, right?
Okay. Yeah.
So this is my company. Now save it. Now let us go to create your next step. Create company code.
Okay.
Company code. So what do you mean by company code? Company code is a product,
It's a six-digit
right?
number. Okay. 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 Okay.
Four
Oh, got
digit,
it.
four digit numbers,
Four
four
digits. Four
digit
digits.
number.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Now I'm going to creating here Ford. So any variant are there? Ford cars, right?
Yeah, food
So
cards. Yeah.
take this first one, copy, delete, check company code.
Okay.
Now that one, edit companies, take this. Please write
Okay.
down. Edit
Okay.
company code data.
Okay.
So go to new entries. So code core, okay, F core.
Okay.
So this is one variant I am showing here, cars, code core. Okay.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
go to create. This is New York, US, US, USD dollar, and English language. So
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to saving one variant of the cars. So system is asking detailed information here. So detailed your title, name, that your street name, postal code number, etc. But use only US, which is enough country code.
Okay.
There are
Okay.
some country codes. F4 key. F4 key
Uh-huh.
is for the purpose of required possible entries. So
Oh,
if
okay.
you check, it
Hmm.
will be there. All the countries, nearly 236 countries are there. So select in this, that is USA Limited. So now go to
Hmm.
continue with this. So whenever continuing, again system is asking for to save this further activities on the same prompt. It is coming automatically, don't worry. Once you created
Okay.
one more, so further activities will be stored on the same number, same name, and continue with this.
Okay.
Right? Created cars here.
Okay.
Okay, now let us go to create one more company code also. So what is the another product here? Ford,
Should we say engines?
Ford Jeep. Okay, Jeep.
Okay.
Engines also. If you are interested in engines. So Ford
Hmm.
engines. So it is also same there only, New York only. So you can go, because New York is a corporate office for us, right?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
give all
Okay.
the data
Yep.
here. Need to save here. So system will show you that once again. Data entry, USA, enter. So data was saved. Clear? Data was saved.
Okay.
So these two activities, whatever the activities you did right now, related to
Mm-hmm.
the financial activity, finance
Yeah.
accounting. So they will create these all, right? Company, company code, control area, function area, financial consolidated business areas, segments. So totally this area related to the function consultant only. So till now there is no work for our HR people. Let us come to HR people to create remaining activities.
Okay.
Personal area, employee group, employee subgroups.
Okay.
Okay, right. So we'll see you that we'll continue tomorrow to create remaining
Okay.
activities. So please
Sure.
install that whatever you received that software and create a company code up to here. So don't create the same one. Okay, if you create also same, no issue because my software is different, your software is different. Okay, go with
Okay.
the same company. Hmm? Right. Thank you. Take care. Bye.
Okay. So, Ajay, one quick thing. I am asking you about the screen. How do I change my screen? The
Which
font is too
screen?
small.
Oh,
So, Lakshmi, can you make me
Lakshmi will assist
presenter?
you. Lakshmi will
Okay.
assist you. Yeah, she knows very well. Because there is, I think,
Okay.
one system supervisor also there, system admin. So he will do that. So they have to do
Okay.
in their system, not in your system.
I got it. Got it.
Okay, okay,
And
right.
the other thing is, Ajay, you also said you will also tell us about this one, right? The time frames for each one of these phases.
Time frame.
You said
Yeah,
2 months,
yeah.
3 months.
Okay, okay. Okay, okay. Tomorrow you can just remind me. I will, the first instance, I will explain it.
Okay, sure,
Okay.
Ajay.
So
Okay.
you have to divide that 1 year. Divide the 1 year
Mm.
into 9 months only, right? You imagine that
Okay.
if it is 1 year, it is only 9 months only. 3 months is further discussions will be there. That
Okay.
9 months will be divided in for these activities. So for
Okay.
in 2 months for creating of your business blueprint, and you can
Okay.
take 3 months for configuration customization. Okay,
Mm.
and 1.5 month will be taken for uploading of data, and after
Okay.
uploading data you have to give 1 month for the end user training.
Okay.
So how many months completed? First 2 months, first 3 months, 1 month, 1 month. So seven
Okay.
months completed.
Okay.
So remaining that for the discussions. So if
Okay.
you exceed the times, the people will not pay the money.
Yeah, 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 true.
So
Hmm.
that is a problem. So within the time. So for which your project manager with team lead will taking care you, because you need to
Hmm.
finish as possible as early.
Yeah, true.
Okay. 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 Thank you. See
Sure,
you
sir.
tomorrow same
Thanks.
time. Bye bye.
Thanks, Ajay. Yeah, bye-bye.
Hey, అదే చూస్తున్నావా చూస్తున్నావా Uday, are you there? Hello.